Mindfulness Meditation for Beginners, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to my channel. Mindfulness meditation is a transformative practice that can bring peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to the present moment into your life. This step-by-step guide is designed to help beginners embark on this profound journey. Whether you're seeking relief from stress, improved focus, or a greater sense of inner balance, this guide will introduce you to the fundamental principles of mindfulness meditation. Each step provides practical insights to help you build a strong foundation and cultivate mindfulness in your daily existence. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 10. Find a quiet space. In the journey of mindfulness meditation for beginners, the first and foundational step is to find a tranquil and undisturbed space. It's here that you begin your voyage within. Whether a cozy corner of your home or a serene outdoor spot, this space becomes your sanctuary. Free from the chaos of the external world, it allows you to dive deep into self-discovery. In the gentle embrace of this quietude, you can focus on your breath, observe your thoughts, and nurture a profound connection with your inner self. It is in this sacred silence that mindfulness takes root and blossoms. Number 9. Set a time limit. As you embark on your mindfulness meditation journey as a beginner, it's crucial to establish a reasonable time limit. Start with a brief, manageable duration, such as 5 to 10 minutes. This deliberate choice prevents feelings of overwhelm and ensures that meditation becomes a sustainable practice in your daily life. Over time, as you grow more comfortable with the process, gradually extend the time limit. This gradual progression allows you to explore deeper levels of inner awareness without straining your initial efforts. Remember, it's the consistency of practice, not the duration, that yields the profound benefits of mindfulness in your life. Number 8. Choose a posture. For beginners delving into mindfulness meditation, selecting the right posture is a foundational step. The posture you assume profoundly impacts your meditation experience. It should strike a balance between alertness and comfort. Sit with your back straight but not rigid, promoting attentiveness while preventing discomfort. Rest your hands gently on your lap or knees, creating a sense of stability. If sitting is challenging, you can also meditate while lying down, ensuring your body remains relaxed and tension-free. Your chosen posture becomes a physical expression of your intention to be present, fostering an environment where mindfulness can flourish and your inner journey can truly begin. Number 7. Close your eyes. As a novice in the realm of mindfulness meditation, the act of closing your eyes holds profound significance. It's a deliberate step towards turning your focus inward, shutting out the visual distractions of the external world. Closing your eyes creates a sacred space where your mind can explore its own depths without the interference of external stimuli. This act symbolizes a transition from the outer world to the inner world, inviting you to journey within and connect with your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. However, if you're more comfortable with your eyes open, you can soften your gaze and direct it downward, striking a balance between inner and outer awareness. Number 6. Focus on your breath. Among the initial steps for mindfulness meditation beginners, focusing on your breath is a cornerstone practice. Your breath serves as an anchor to the present moment, a constant and reliable point of attention. As you close your eyes and settle into your chosen posture, bring your awareness to the subtle rise and fall of your breath. Observe the sensation of the air entering and leaving your nostrils or the gentle expansion and contraction of your chest and abdomen. Your breath becomes the center of your universe, a source of calm amidst the storm of thoughts. It's a simple, yet profound act that leads you towards mindfulness, training your mind to stay rooted in the here and now. Number 5. Be present. For beginners in mindfulness meditation, the essence lies in the art of being present. As you sit or lie down, with your breath as the anchor, the objective is to exist fully in the now. It's about experiencing each moment without judgment or distraction. When thoughts arise, as they inevitably will, acknowledge them without criticism and gently guide your focus back to your breath or chosen point of awareness. Being present means embracing the sensations, emotions, and thoughts that arise in the moment without trying to change them. It's an art of acceptance and observation that gradually cultivates inner calm, clarity, and a profound connection with your true self. Number 4. Use a guiding anchor. As a beginner in the practice of mindfulness meditation, employing a guiding anchor can be a valuable aid. This anchor is a chosen point of focus that helps steady your wandering mind. It can be a single word or phrase like peace or breathe, a soothing image you conjure in your mind, or even the sound of a bell or timer. When distractions pull you away from the present moment, return to your guiding anchor. It acts as a lifeline, gently leading you back to mindfulness, a place of tranquility and self-awareness. Over time, this tool becomes a trusted companion in your meditation journey, aiding you in cultivating a profound sense of presence and inner peace. Number 3. Embrace your senses. For beginners in the world of mindfulness meditation, embracing your senses is a transformative practice. While focusing on the breath remains central, extending your awareness to your surroundings can deepen your practice. Pay attention to the sounds, sensations, and even the scents in your immediate environment. Notice the gentle hum of life around you, the rustle of leaves, the distant traffic, or the rhythm of your own heartbeat. Feel the ground beneath you, the texture of your clothing, and the air against your skin. Engaging your senses fully in the present moment amplifies your mindfulness experience, connecting you more deeply to the world around you and fostering a profound sense of inner peace. Number 2. Expand your awareness. As a novice in the practice of mindfulness meditation, expanding your awareness beyond the breath can be a transformative step. After finding your initial focus, gradually broaden your attention to encompass your entire body. Begin at the top of your head and gently scan down to your toes, noticing any areas of tension, discomfort, or even relaxation. With each breath, send your awareness to these places, encouraging them to release any tightness. This expanded awareness connects you more deeply to your physical presence and serves as a bridge between your inner and outer worlds. It's a process of self-discovery, allowing you to witness and nurture the intricate relationship between your mind and body. This expanded awareness allows you to explore the rich tapestry of sensations within you, fostering a profound sense of connection and deepening your mindfulness practice. As a beginner, this practice opens the door to self-understanding and a greater appreciation for the intricate harmony of your own being. Number 1. Be patient and kind to yourself. In the early stages of your mindfulness meditation journey as a beginner, remember the importance of self-compassion. Your practice is a personal voyage, and it's natural for the mind to wander and thoughts to arise. When this happens, refrain from self-criticism. Instead, gently guide your attention back to your chosen point of focus, whether it's your breath or a guiding anchor. Understand that meditation is a skill that develops over time, much like any other. Cultivate patience and kindness toward yourself, recognizing that each moment of presence is a step forward. Embrace the journey, allowing yourself to grow in mindfulness at your own pace. This self-compassion not only nurtures your practice, but also extends into your daily life, fostering a deeper sense of well-being. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.